I'm Tom for Altman Plants. This is the winter of 2019, which is going to go down in the record books because they're talking about Arctic vortex, one of the coldest winters in a generation. And so here I am shivering with this particular Echeveria that's called Arctic Ice. And you can see why it's so cold because look at the color of that. I mean, just looking at it makes you cold. It's icy, it's frosty. And this is a beautiful Hens and Chicks plant to put on your windowsill or put in a planter with other colored little hens and chicks. Absolutely beautiful. It's got like a frosty clear edge and is a fun, gorgeous plant to add to your succulent collection. I'm Tom for Altman Plants, Arctic Ice for you.